everyone, and welcome back to another video. And today I absolutely love doing bright colours, so I wanted to use this one. I didn't even get a chance to speak, did I? Okay, so it looks orange on the bottle, but actually I'd say it's more like a coral, like a neon coral, this one. And it's one of my favourites for summer. I just adore it. So we're going to be doing a set with this, something nice and bright and summery to cheer us all up. So yeah, I'm just putting that down now as my first coat. Now excuse the tips, I am using up some old tips because I bought a load during the first lockdown to create some what they call press-on nails, and yeah, they're more faff and more hassle than they're worth, so yeah, I didn't bother with that. Oh, excuse me, I've just had my lunch. Yeah, so 2 coats of that. This first one is very basic, so it's just that colour, 2 coats of it, and then top coated. I'm just going to slurp my tea while I'm waiting for the next one. Anyway, I hope everybody is well, and we're slowly coming out of lockdown now, aren't we? Woohoo! Okay, so the next one is, well, oh sorry, it's the same one, isn't it? Yes. So I've top coated, and I've cured it for 20 seconds because that's how my particular top coat works for chroming. It depends on your brand of top coat, so don't go by what I've just said, but I found 20 seconds, not 20 minutes, 20 seconds, did I say minutes? Is the optimum for my particular top coat that I'm using in this video. There it is, 20 seconds. Dip it in, you don't need much, and rub it on. And it gives like a nice shiny shell effect, shimmer. I don't know, what do you call it, Aurora? I think this one's called an Aurora pigment. Give it a rub with my finger. I just like to push it in. I just think it makes it shinier. Yeah. Oh, brush as well. Yes, quick brush off to get rid of any loose pigment. And then we are going to top coat, but you want to float it on, floaty, because otherwise you can drag off the pigment and you can make scratches in it if you're not careful. Get it in the lamp. And so this is the base for the actual ones that we're going to be doing a design on. So they're both going to be nude, and this one is Cashmere by Halo, which is one that I like to use for my French clients. Well, I mean, it used to be my favourite, but actually I've switched it now to one that's a bit more translucent, from the same brand, but hey. Anyway, that's gone in. Gonna do 2 coats of that. You could probably get away with 1, but I always like to do 2. Sorry, I'm just drinking my tea at the same time. I do love a good cuppa. Right, here's my palette. Here is my coral colour. Now, all the other colours that I'm going to want to use for this part of the design, I'm going to pop them all on my palette. So I've also got an orange, a neon orange in the same collection from Lavender Violets. Oh, a bit more than that please, thank you. And we have like a goldy colour from Beetles, which goes with this set quite nicely actually. It was a bit of a fluke that I found that colour to go with these, and then white, because I saw the design that I wanted to do online, and sometimes trying to match the colours so that they're the correct tones when you're doing more than one is tricky, but actually I found that one went quite well. And we need some black. And with my super duper Natalie Mugridge detailer brush, super fine. It's just the best. We are going to be using that to create our design. So we're dragging the brush through, and I am starting with the gold. I probably should have put them in the order that I wanted them, really, but never mind. If you see me pausing and not doing anything, it's because I'm looking at the design that I've printed out so that I've got an idea of where placement of everything is going. So in between each of these lines, we're going to flash cure. So I've just done that gold now. So that's been flash cured for 10 seconds. And now I'm going to go in with this orange so that the colours don't bleed. And I don't, but I keep wiping it off. Is it because I want a thin point there, and I don't want it to be bobbly because it will just create a mess. And I need it to be really thin at the top and thicker at the bottom. And what are we? Oh yes, it's the coral one next, which is the colour that matches and ties in the whole design, because that's what colour the other nails are. When I saw this design, I thought, oh, that's fairly easy to do. That's not going to take me long, but actually, it was more faffy than I thought it was going to be. And now it's white. Sorry if you can hear me swallowing and slurping. My tea's going cold, so I need to drink it quick. I wasn't really sure with this one how fat I wanted the white to be, because I know that as I was doing it that I've got to have it a little bit fatter than the others, because this is going to have some black dots incorporated in it, and also on the outside of it. That's why it's called abstract. Abstract is basically code for mess. Put it where you want mess. So now we're just going to do random dots, some thicker than others, some smaller than others, just dot it on. This is why I love this kind of design, because there's no rhyme or wrong reason to this kind of thing at all, and it looks effective. Get it in the lamp, love. Okay, so the next one, what I've done with this is I'm putting that one on my palette there so that I can see, and I don't have to keep looking at the design that I've printed off, because obviously I want it to match what I've already done, because my design obviously doesn't match the one that I've printed off. They never do. So I'm trying my best to match this one up. That's why I've put it on my palette, so I've got a visual at all times, and I can see the colours that I need. So I'll let you watch me do this second one without my waffling going on. So relax and enjoy. That's my tea gone just in time for it for these to finish. So that's those, and I'm going to top coat them both now. I'll just show you me top coating one. You don't need to watch both. Obs. In it goes. And there they are, guys, the finished set. Let me know what you think down below. They were quite fun to do, these ones. So yeah, I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.